this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you a comparison between Midjourney and Artistly AI so that you can make a right decision on which of these image generators is good for your business. So without further ado, let's get into my presentation, and we will be starting with pricing and licensing, because this is where you need to understand which of these software will be a savior for you in terms of the money you spend in generating images. So for Artistly AI, they offer a one-time payment method, so there is no monthly fee that you pay. But for Midjourney, they offer a subscription-based model where you need to pay monthly or annually. So in terms of pricing, for Artistly AI, you will pay $49 one-time payment for the personal license, unlimited personal license. But for Midjourney, the basic plan starts with $10 per month for the basic, and then standard is $30 per month, Pro is $60 per month, and Mega is $120 per month. So for Artistly AI, the premium option is $147, and it is a one-time payment. As you can see, it's much cheaper than Midjourney AI if we compare the premium plan between Artistly AI and Midjourney. $147 for one-time payment, and for Artistly AI you need to renew it monthly, $120, which is like over $1,000 per year. So Artistly AI is more affordable, and most of the features that are available in Midjourney are also in Artistly AI, and I will leave a link in description for you to access Artistly AI at a 20% discount, which is currently available. Also, when it comes to free trial, the Artistly AI doesn't offer free trial, but Midjourney actually offers that. But comparing the pricing, Artistly AI is much cheaper compared to Midjourney. In terms of refund policy, they also have that 30-day money back guarantee, and also Midjourney has a standard policy for refund. And also in terms of commercial use, it is included in all the plans in Artistly AI, and there is no extra fee. It's just a one-time payment. And if you are interested with Artistly AI, I'll recommend you go with the $147 one-time payment instead of $49, so that you cannot limit yourself to commercial features which is not available in the $49 payment. So in terms of upsell and watermark, both don't have, because after subscribing to this service you have access to all the features. Now let's go into comparing the key features of these two softwares. So most of the things here are the same, but Artistly AI happens to be more advanced compared to Midjourney. Both offer unlimited image generation, and also in terms of AI prompt to image, both offer the same AD image downloads. Now here is where the difference comes: Magic Match and also e-commerce mockups. So with Artistly AI, you will be able to create instant product mockups, which is not available in Midjourney. Now let's go to AI style replicator. AI background changer is also available in both of these softwares. But in terms of canvas style image editor, it's available in Artistly AI but not in Midjourney. Also in terms of coloring book maker, especially for kids books, it's available in Artistly AI but it's not in Midjourney. Also AI and t-shirt design, it's available in Artistly AI but not in Midjourney. Let's now go to AI image upscale, image redesign, and also smart image expander. All these are available in Artistly and Midjourney. Another thing that differentiates these two softwares is the smart AI prompt enhancer, which is available in Artistly AI but it's not in the Midjourney. So with Artistly AI, there is auto prompt improvement, which is not available in Midjourney. So as you can see, for Artistly AI, you get more advanced features compared to Midjourney. So let's now see AI product photographer. It's available in Artistly but not in Midjourney. AI book cover and story generator is available in Artistly but not in Midjourney. So you can create book covers with Artistly AI and also story generation with Artistly, but it's not in Midjourney. Now, both of these have human in painting, but also when it comes to AI fashion design, Artistly is the best because they offer it, but it's not available in Midjourney. Let's now see AI Art Illustrator. Both of these tools have that. AI Portraits both have that. Perfect text in AI images. It's available in Artistly but not in Midjourney. Community for image generators is available for both of these, especially for Artistly, they have a Facebook group, and for Midjourney, they have a Discord. In terms of commercial license, both have it, and also they usually do free updates. Let's now go into key takeaways so that you can make a right decision on which of these softwares you can get started with. For Artistly AI, they offer a one-time payment model that is $49 for unlimited personal and commercial use, and then $147 for all premium and enterprise features with no recurring fees, unlimited usage, and a broad set of creative tools that go beyond image generation. And it's ideal for marketers, e-commerce creators who want commercial freedom and advanced features without worrying about monthly cost and hidden fees. So for just one-time payment, you are able to get everything that Midjourney has, and also more advanced features that go beyond image generation. Let's now see Midjourney AI. Requires ongoing subscription, monthly subscription with advanced privacy and commercial features, locked behind high-tide plans like the Maker plan, and this remains a leader in pure artistic image generation and community engagement, but it's kind of expensive for heavy or commercial users. So if you want to get access to advanced features like those in Midjourney, but with a lower cost, then Artistly AI is the best option. Now let's do a recap so that I can remind you some of the key features you should consider. So for payment, it starts between $49 to $147, a one-time payment in Artistly, but for Midjourney, monthly payments start from $10 to $120 for the mega plan. And both of these have unlimited use, and also they both have commercial license, and the quality of images are perfect, and both have communities. For Artistly, we have a Facebook group. I'm part of that Facebook group, and for Midjourney, they have a Discord. In terms of editing, the Artistly AI offer a Canva style and more advanced editing. So here is where Artistly AI is giving Midjourney the run for the money. So in terms of editing, Artistly offer more option, and also there is no hidden fees, and they both offer refund policy. So in case you want to get started with any of these, I'll recommend Artistly because the image quality is the same and you are able to save on money. And I'll recommend you to go for the $147 one-time payment because you'll have access to more features compared to the personal use, that is the $49. So if you are just getting started with image generation, I recommend Artistly AI.